Welcome to Papers TV. I'm Professor Rana Qasim Anwar, and today we'll discuss something every student worries about: essay word count, a detailed guide. When you write an essay, your word count isn't just a number. It's a reflection of your depth of understanding, your ability to express ideas clearly, and your skill in staying focused. Meeting the required word limit shows discipline and academic precision. If your essay is too short, it may look underdeveloped or superficial. But if it's too long, it might seem unfocused or repetitive. The goal is balance, writing enough to fully explore your topic while staying concise and clear. Here are a few smart ways to manage your essay's length. Plan your essay before writing. Outline your main ideas. Stay on topic and avoid unnecessary repetition. Use paragraphs wisely. One main idea per paragraph. Edit and revise to cut out filler words or vague sentences. Always remember, clarity and precision are more important than hitting an exact number. If your essay is well organized and thoughtful, a few words over or under the limit won't hurt. Different essays require different lengths. Short essays, 250 to 500 words, focus on one idea. Standard essays, 1,000 to 2,000 words, ideal for most academic topics. Research papers, 3,000 plus words, detailed analysis and evidence. Knowing the expected range helps you structure your arguments and pace your writing effectively. If you're struggling to meet the word count, ask yourself, have I explained my main ideas fully? Have I supported my points with examples or evidence? Can I remove redundant phrases? Small edits can make a big difference. Thank you for watching Papers TV. I'm Professor Rana Qasim Anwar, reminding you that good writing isn't about the number of words. It's about the strength of your ideas. Subscribe for more educational videos on English, literature, and academic writing. Like, comment, and share if this guide helped you improve your essays.